Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add picture on text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's take a look how to do that. And here I'm going to type a text. So I'm going to choose here a blank presentation, and let me delete these things. And then I'm going to here click insert, and I'm going to type here text box, and I'm going to add a text box here, and then I'm going to type here something like, I'm going to type my channel name, tips trick. And here make sure that if you want to add picture on text, just resize or choose some bold font that will be better for your picture. And then here you can choose the size. Obviously you have to choose the large size. If you want to more large size, you can easily type here, for example, I'm going to make this 120, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now what you have to do, let me bring this text in center. In here you have to right click over there, and then you have to click here format shape. Whenever you click in format shape, in right side you will see something appear like this. But first of all you have to select this text, and then you have to click here text option, and then you will find something like this. You have to click this text file, and then here you will find something called picture or texture fill. So I'm going to click over there, and then I'm going to click here insert. And here you can choose if you want to download picture from online, or if you have some picture in your own computer, you can choose. So I'm going to choose here from a file, and then you have to find out the located file, or where is the picture is. So example, this is my picture. I'm going to choose this picture, and then simply click here insert. And when you click insert, you will notice, you will see your picture background, it's appear your images. So this is how you can easily add picture in your text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.